So this has been our first version of the Repair Cafe here in this new venue, and it's gone really, really well. We've had a huge number of visitors today. Electrical and electronic repairs have been super, super popular. So if there's anyone out there who can repair electricals and repair electronics, we would love to hear from you. Our fabrics team have been incredibly busy, so repairing all manner of different garments, and we also have been repairing things like clocks, ornaments, and generally things have gone really well. So one of our intentions in moving to this new venue was to step away from the requirement for everybody to book online. We wanted to make the event as inclusive and accessible as possible. That has gone really well in many ways. There are some things that we're going to have to look at. Sometimes people were waiting for quite a long time. That is something we're going to improve in months to come. Next month we are going on the road for the first time ever. So Salisbury Repair Cafe won't be happening in Salisbury. It's going to be happening in Idmiston. In April we're going to be back here, Bemerton Methodist Church, and we're also going to be here in May, June, July, August, September, October and November. All of the dates are on our website, salisburyrepaircafe.org. So please invite you to visit the website, sign up for our email updates, and please come and visit us and bring any of your items that you need repaired. And we look forward to giving you a very warm welcome here.